Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's math class. Today, we are going to discuss about time, the most precious resource. Then, what is time? If we give a definition for time, time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place, the past, present, and future. The basic unit of time is the second. There are also minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. We can measure time using clocks. Yes, we can measure time using clocks. So, children, today we are going to learn three topics which are read the time to the nearest 5 minutes, read time in words like quarter parts and quarter to the nearest hour, select an appropriate unit to measure time. So, let's go. Okay. And we know that we can measure time using clocks. See children, here you can see two clocks, images of two clocks, and both clocks marked numbers from 1 to 12. Here also the numbers from 1 to 12 marked in the clock, and here you can see two hands and here you can see three hands. This blue hand, long hand shows minutes, and this short hand shows hours. The long hand, the blue hand shows minutes, so it's called minute hand. And the short hand shows hours, it called hour hand. And in this clock, this short hand is, yes, hour hand. And this long hand is minute hand. And this thin hand shows seconds. Okay, so we call this hand second hand. And the minute hand moves from one number to the next number. It moves one number to the next number in 5 minutes. Okay, one number to next number in 5 minutes. And the hour hand, this hand moves from one number to next number in an hour, in 1 hour. And the second hand moves one point to next point in second, in 1 second. Okay children, in the clock there are three hands: hour hand, minute hand, and second hand, and the numbers from 1 to 12. Then each number shows 5 minutes. Let's see. Children, we learned that each number in the clock indicates 5 minutes like that. So here 1 indicates 5 minutes, then into 5 more minutes extra. So it indicates 10 minutes, 3 indicates 15 minutes, 4 indicates 20 minutes, and so on. Okay, 11 indicates 55 minutes and 12 indicates 0 minute. Okay, then here the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 1. Okay, so the hour hand shows hour, that we learn. Hour hand shows hour and the long hand shows minute. Minute hand shows minute. So we can read this time as 5 hour. Hour hand is on 5, so 5 hours, and the minute hand is on 1. 1 means 5 minutes. So we can read this time as 5 5. Okay, the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 1. 1 minute 5 minutes. So we can read this time as 5 5. Okay children. So children, we learned that each number indicates minutes. 1 means 5 minutes, 2 means 10 minutes, 3 means 15 minutes, and so on. In other hand, we can use the word past and to. See here, our hand is on 10 and the minute hand is on 5. In normal, we read the time as 10:05. Instead of that, we can read the time as 5 past 10. That means 5 minutes over after 10. So, we can read the time as 5 minutes or 5 past 10. Okay, and here we mentioned that the time is 5:05, and here also we can say 5 minutes past 5 means 5 minutes over, 5 minutes past after 5 o'clock. The same way we can say 10 minutes past or quarter. Instead of 15 minutes, we use the word quarter past. Then same way 20 past, 25 past, and for 6 we can say half past. Then but 7 means, we learned that 7 means 35 minutes, but we can never say 35 minutes the 10 or something like that. It Instead of that, we use 25 minutes to that hour. We never say 35 minutes past. From 7 onwards, we use the word to, 25 to. That means 25, there are 25 minutes to reach the next hour. Then instead of 40 minutes past, we use 22. That means 20 minutes remain to reach that hour. Then instead of 45 minutes past, we use quarter to. Then listen children, instead of 15 minutes past, we use quarter past. Instead of 45 minutes past, we use quarter to. From 7 to 12, we use 2. Here from 1 to 6, it's past. Then from 7 to 12, it's 2. Okay children, 9 means quarter to. See the next example. Yeah. From up to 6, 1 to 6, quarter past. Past, we use past. From 7 to 12, we use 2. Then 9 is quarter to. If the minute hand is on 9, we use quarter to. Quarter to the next hour. If the minute hand is on 3, we use quarter past. Quarter past. Okay, quarter past from that hour. It will be clear by the next example. See here children. Here the clock indicates the time 8:05. Okay. The blue hand is our hand. The red hand is minute hand. Minute hand is on 5 and the our hand is on 8. So we read the name as 5 minutes past 8. Okay. The same way here our hand is on 8. Minute hand is on third. Minute hand is on 3. So 15 minutes past 8. Instead of that 15 minutes, we use quarter past. Okay, instead of 15 minutes, we use quarter past. Then see, in this clock, the hour hand is in between 6 and 7 and the minute hand is on 8. So normally we can read the time as 6:40. The hour hand is in between 6 and 7 and the minute hand is on 8. So the time is 6:40. And we can also read the time as 20 minutes to 7. The time shows this clock is 6:40. So we can also read this time as 20 minutes to 7. That means there are 20 minutes remains to reach 7. Okay children. And this next clock, the hour hand is in between 6 and 7 and the minute hand is on 10. So we can read the time as 6:50. The 10 indicates 50 minutes. So we can read the time as 6:50 and also 10 minutes to 7. That means there are 10 minutes remain to reach 7 o'clock. Clear children? We never read the time as 50 minutes past 6. We use 10 minutes to 7 to read the time. Okay. Now we are on the last topic of this class, today's class, that is select an appropriate unit to measure time. Okay. So here children, here the image shows bathing, here jumping, and here eating an apple. So normally we took minutes to take bath. Some of us finish bathing within seconds, but normally we took minutes to take bath. But to make a jump, for a jump, yes, no need minutes for a jump. We need only few seconds for a jump. And to finish an apple or to eat an apple, yeah, we normally take minutes to eat an apple. That means we take different time to finish different activities. Is it? For example, to blink eyes, we need only seconds to blink eyes. Then to make a chapati, yeah, we need minutes, 2 minutes or 1 minute. Then for a class, for a math class or any other class, we took hours for a class. Sleeping time, yes, hours. Our sleeping time is hours. That means we take different time to finish different activities. And here, some of the activities are given. We have to fill unit for measuring time. Here, the first one is given. Take bath. Yes, we took minutes. To wear slippers. Yeah, we need seconds only. Watch a movie. Yeah, hours. A movie means more than 1.5 hour or 2 hour or 3 hours. So, to watch a movie, we need hours. So, these are the other activities you have to fill here, the unit of measuring time. Okay. So, today we learned three important topics which are read time to the nearest 5 minutes, read time in words like quarter past and quarter to the nearest hour. Then third one, select an appropriate unit to measure time. Okay children, thank you.